Hello, I'm Steve Ushock, the Regional Product Specialist for TelCove's Mid-Atlantic region. I appreciate you taking the time to be with me today as we conduct a tour of a TelCove Central Office. I welcome the opportunity to show you what happens here at a central office as it acts as an integral part of TelCove's network infrastructure. This is the entrance to our central office. You'll notice it is a protected and secured facility with restricted access, because behind this door is not only TelCove equipment, but equipment owned by general business customers who co-locate here in our secured facility. At this end of the building, TelCove's fiber optic outside plant network is brought into the building via protected entrances. These cabinets represent those protected entrances as the fiber enters into the central office for delivery over to the SONET gateway elements. The fiber optic cabling is brought through the entrances over into these Fujitsu SONET gateway elements. This central office supports 50 SONET rings. Those SONET rings represent about 2.5 million channels of voice and data delivered on that fiber optic cabling into this central office. This row of equipment is referred to as a digital access cross-connect system. This system allows our engineers and technicians to aggregate and separate any of those 2.5 million channels to be then delivered over through the CO for customers' value-added services. Testing and support of those channels is critical, so that bandwidth is brought into this area of the CO, which we refer to as a DSX bay. This allows TelCove technicians and engineers a convenient access point to insert test equipment into the network while they test and monitor and verify the performance of the infrastructure. Once those circuits are brought through the DSX bay, they're delivered over into this area of the central office, which is where we provide our customers with value-added telephony and datacom services. This system behind me is a Lucent 5ESS central office switch. As it sits, it has the capacity to support almost 60,000 dial tone lines. Today, it presently delivers a little more than 35,000 dial tone lines to customers in this particular TelCove market. In addition to traditional voice services, TelCove also offers state-of-the-art data services. For intercity private line services, TelCove utilizes Lucent Wavestar dense wavelength division multiplexer nodes. In support of a 12,000-mile DWDM network that interconnects all of TelCove's markets. The equipment behind me is one of two TelCove primary core routing centers. Powered by Cisco routers, this system allows us to deliver our customers protected and fault-tolerant broadband access to the global internet. Each of the TelCove cities are brought into this core infrastructure by means of protected OC3, OC12, and gigabit circuits. From here, customers' internet traffic is delivered upstream to the global internet via multiple service providers. TelCove also offers world-class co-location services in its protected facility. This node behind me represents a co-located node of a national internet-based voice-over IP provider. This rack of equipment acts as a gateway from this company's internet-based voice customers into the public switched telephone network. All of the equipment you've just seen in the central office is powered by a battery array which eliminates outages in the event of loss of power from the electrical utility. Batteries are continually charged to provide energy to all of the electronics in the CO continuously, even in the event of an interruption of power from the electrical company. The last part of our tour today is the generator room. I'm standing on top of a 4,000-gallon tank of diesel fuel used to power the 1 megawatt diesel generator seen behind me. In the event of a power outage, this diesel generator starts and is capable of powering the entire central office facility indefinitely. As we've demonstrated, TelCove has built its state-of-the-art network for maximum security and reliability through protected sonnet rings, into duplicated fault-tolerant electronic systems, housed in a secured environment backed up by battery and diesel supplies, all integrated to provide our business customers with the most advanced and reliable internet, voice, and data communication services.